Hey everyone, welcome. In this video I'm going to be teaching you Verizon mobile plans and best Verizon mobile plans which you can opt. So let's just dive right onto the platform. You can see this is Verizon, and to get their newest released deals, you can get started with this deals option. So here, let me just cross this. Okay, so here we got that. Now what we can do is, you can see we have deals here. You can shop all deals, and in here you will be getting different kind of deals. So just wait a minute. Let's just say you got an Apple device or maybe a Samsung one. So hop on to Apple, and once you're there, you can see we got our deals. Now if you have different devices, the deals are gonna be of course distributed among different tiers of cell phones. You can see you can go through them and choose which one is the most suitable for you, since you're going to be having different kind of products. And if you have, let's just say, Samsung, you can head over to Samsung and go with that as well. So let me just go back to the main page, and there you can see we have a different kind of plans as well for free phone on any plan. So you can simply opt with these plans as well, and currently these are the best one which are popping out on the top. So I suggest you go with these. You have your unlimited ultimate, and you can see the packages, everything is nicely distributed here. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.